We are live because I'm about to reveal the winner to my drawing, my bundle drawing. This is my Deep Wave for Desilux Beauty, and it's been a while since I've been live, so I'm kind of nervous. This is my first time doing a giveaway for my business. I think it's like the second time, but like the first time it wasn't so successful because not a lot of people knew about it. So we're doing it now, and it's about, I don't even know what time it is, 2:43. I'm gonna go live at 2:50 so people can like start jumping on and everything like that, and I can show the bundles. And I got my little hat right here. I'm doing it the old school way. I balled up the names, put it in the hat, and I'm just pick who wins. I'm excited and I'm nervous. So yeah, Desilux Beauty bundles. This is our Deep Wave. I have 16, 18, and 20 inch. So yeah, I still haven't labeled them yet. They did, my vendor went ahead and put my name around it, my logo and everything, and they tagged them for me. On the back they have the care instructions, and on the front this is where I'll write the length and the texture and the style. So I'm excited. I can't like stop saying that I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. So should we go ahead and get on? Right now I'm watching Chelsea, if y'all hear her in the background. I don't know if I should pause it, but sometimes I need like a little bit of background noise to like, you know, keep me going since I can't play music and everything. So yeah. And then if you're wondering what I got in my hair, these are the Desilux Beauty clip-ins. I had actually took them off my website because not a lot of people were interested in them, probably because I wore my wigs more than I wore my clip-ins. So when I do wear my clip-ins, this is how I wear them, half up, half down, or I just like put them in a bun or whatever. But like, I don't know if you can tell, this is my natural hair compared to the weave. So yeah, blends in pretty nicely. But yeah, so let me see. And y'all know another thing is, like, I know they have another way to like randomly pick a person on Instagram, but I don't know how to do that yet. I don't know how to do that yet. We're gonna figure it out sometime soon. So yeah, I just decided to do it the old school way. And I'm gonna go live on Facebook because I feel like Facebook is where I have the most friends, followers. So yeah, though a lot of people did on Instagram, on my hair page, I feel like I don't get a lot of like views on there, so I'm just gonna do it from Facebook. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click live, and then I'm gonna do my thing here. I'm gonna try not to look over here. So yeah, this is making so we are outside, and I don't even know where we are. I know we're in Smyrna.
I thought we were in Marietta.
Marietta, Smyrna is literally like 1 minute down the street from Smyrna. No, I'm sorry. I think it's Cobb. Anyways,
We lost.
we're not lost, babe. I know where we are because we stay like 2 minutes down the street from here. Anyways, yes. Anyways, I am fucked up, and I'm not sure where to look, either at the screen at myself or here in the lens.
It's been a long night, and as you can tell, I am tore up. I need to go home and lay down.
Me too.
You definitely need to. You done lost 5, 6 different things.
I can't find my vape. I'm really upset.
I'm
Damn,
just.
is this my wallet too? Damn. I brought my wallet. Fuck, that's my shit. What? That's my shit. Don't tell me you got me on.
I do.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Log. We ain't here today.
Anyway.
Log, I can't find my vape and I'm upset because
Where's mine at? I put it in my purse somewhere.
Yeah, this one don't leave me alone. You ain't gonna get out of this.
Ooh. Hi guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry if you could barely hear me, but it is pouring outside. I'm sitting in front of Walmart right now. I'm trying to go shop for like household things, and I was obviously not prepared for rain today. I have on slide shorts and like a oversized t-shirt, and I don't want to get out of the car. One, I don't think I have an umbrella. I have to climb in the back to check my trunk to see if I have an umbrella back there, but I don't think I do. 'Cause every time it rains, I take, you know, I get out of the car, take it to the house, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. Why does it, why? I checked the weather before I left the house. I don't know. So, yeah. I'm gonna go in here and try to see if they have one of those little thingy majiggers that you can like stick on the, let's see. But yeah, I wanted to see if it can like fit here or somewhere over there. I don't know. Don't mind the crack. It was a fucking truck that had like a rock or something on the back of it and literally hit like the corner and left that ugly crack there. So sad. But yeah, so I'm just waiting until the rain stops, and then we're gonna head in and I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm gonna get. First time vlogging inside of somewhere. Kind of nervous, so we'll see how that goes. Hi guys, so I just made it home from work and I am about to pack up an order. So I want to show you guys how I do that. She's actually coming to pick it up since she is in the area, so that way I don't have to ship it out, which is good. So yeah, we're gonna go up and pack. We're gonna go ahead and pack up her bundles. Hold on, this is her texting me now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pack up her stuff. So she has a 20, 22, and 24 inch. So just bought so many deep waves for the summertime. So that's separated. And then we're gonna bag up her stuff and her Just Looks Beauty little baggie here. Soon, y'all, I'm gonna have a place for y'all to actually sit up on. So this is just temporary. So yeah, so we got a 20. That's the 30. and she's here. Stuff. I don't know. Do you want to be in it?
I can. I look crazy, but hi.
This is Deja picking up her hair, y'all.
Amazing bundles. We love it.
Hey, thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. Do you still have the other ones?
I do.
First time?
I have a little bit in my hair right now just to wrap it up. So my bun's a little thicker.
Yeah.
But I love the straight. I love the wavy.
Thank
We
you,
love it all.
girl.
It's great quality.
Thank you, girl.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's everything. I got your little baggie ready.
I still have this baggie. It keeps it all silky.
You can see that. And that's it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm gonna give you a bonnet. This girl, you've been down.
Right?
Do you want a silver one or a gold one?
Let's do gold. I love the gold.
You want the gold?
I gotta have the gold.
I got you, girl. She want the gold one, y'all.
They would have chose the same thing.
Yes. I think the gold one is popular too.
It's fire.
Cutely in there. There you go, girl.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you again.
Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, but hi guys. So it is 9:54 and I'm about to pack up an order. Once again, I do have a hair business called Desi Lux Beauty, and I sell bundles, glueless wigs, and bonnets. So yeah, I'm just about to package her order right now. And yeah, go and support your girl. So yeah, I am actually about to gift her a Desi Lux Beauty bonnet. I am ordering more bonnets. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and package up her bundle and her little gift. Y'all, don't make fun of my setup here. This is what I have going for right now. Like I said, until we upgrade. So she will be to you in 2 to 3 days, girl. I'm gonna send her out first thing tomorrow. And that's that. Yo, whether it's 1 order, 2 orders, 3 orders, I don't care. I'm just really happy that somebody actually seen one of my posts or engaged in my content, and I love the fact that they want to try my hair, my bundles. So thank you so much. Thank you. You don't know how much that means to me, and I pray that you like my hair. But yeah, I'm just really grateful that you guys are supporting me, and yeah, very, very grateful. Let me go ahead and, because I am done with her order. My camera did cut off. It was probably telling me to shut up. Here's a quick haul for today. So all this stuff right here I got from TJ Maxx. So first I got these studded earrings. I got them in gold because I'm always losing mine and my boyfriend always steals mine. So I got these. It comes in squares, little diamonds, and yeah, I'm not sure where I said squares, but Yeah. I got these hangers. I actually got a whole other set on the other side of my room. But yeah, I got these hangers. They came like a 10-pack. I got this little shelf right here. This is actually a storage shelf, but I plan on using it for my laptop while I'm like in bed, like typing or whatever. So that way it's not too hot on my legs. I also got two of these little kitchen storage for like fruit. So yeah, I think this come in handy so that way my fruit won't go bad as fast. And I have my camera on top because I was actually filming for a YouTube video. I got this from Five Below. I got two of them, this one and this one. I just put them together. I just put them together on a video. So yeah, if you are interested in watching that YouTube video soon, click the link in my bio and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe on any of the videos that you guys see. I also got these shirts here. I got from Five Below as well. Apparently I have an attitude. I got it in a large. I have this shirt right here as well. This reminded me of Twitches, the sun and the moon. So I got it and it was really cute. And then I have this shirt right here. Peace, love, and unity. It's really cute. I also got these clips. Last but not least, I got this chair that I had to blow up. And yeah, I had a huge headache afterwards. But childish, but worth it. And this is from Walmart. I got all three of these. 30 came in a pack. All three of these hangers to fix up my closet because my closet is a hot ass mess and I don't even want to show y'all because I'm embarrassed. But yeah, so I got all three of these and they were actually on sale, so I got them $5 each. And I also got this from Five Below, and it's like a shoe rack for like the side of my front door because I'm always taking off my shoes right there. So yes. Okay, so this is what it looks like with everything set up on it. I don't know what to put down here yet. We'll figure that out later. Still need to clean up, wax up. Y'all, please don't mind that. Like, I'm not dirty. I just don't feel like going to get the blow dryer right now. But, yeah, I'm clumsy. Just know that much. But, yeah, so this is how it looks. Got my lip gloss. My little battery things right here. Perfume. Ooh, I am missing the lid. Oh, there it is. I never plugged it. Oh Lord. Anyways, these are my vitamins for like my period and stuff. I had them right here because I was cramping really bad. My little charger for my camera. Some unnecessary. This faux plant that I had on my other little stand, and some like essential oils and stuff like that. But yeah, really cute, really cute. Still gotta figure out what to put down there, but we'll figure that out later.
It's 2:05 in the afternoon. I'm getting ready because we are headed to, I don't even know where it is. I just know it's an hour away because we are headed to the Wow Safari. We're gonna take my nieces there, y'all, and this shit is about to be funny. They've been to the zoo before, but something where like this, like where the animals get to like come up to the car and like stick their head in where you have to feed them, they about to lose their fucking mind. And I can't wait. I can't wait. I know I sound like really mean, but y'all don't know my nieces, and they bad as hell. I love my babies to death, don't get me wrong, but Lord have mercy, Jesus. This is about to be hilarious. So, I only have time to do my lashes right now. I think all my eyebrow stuff is in the bathroom, and I don't feel like getting up and going to get it. So yeah, I will see you guys else when we get in the car or whenever we get there. And yeah, this is my attire for today. Little black top and some shorts, cause we ain't got time to be hot. I might even put on a little hat or whatever. I don't know, cause I don't want to get like, I don't know. But let's head out. I'm so excited. Oh, let me show y'all my closet real quick before we go. This is my closet. Yeah, it still kind of looks crazy. Like the drawer, I did not like mess with that. But I hung up all of my t-shirts here. I still have some leftover hangers. And then over here, you know, all my go out things, and you know, some of the stuff looks like it needs to be cleaned out, but we'll do all that stuff later. I'm just happy I have it all hung up and arranged. I know it's not in color, you know, in the proper color, but it's fine for right now until I get, you know, some more stuff. And yeah, then we're gonna rearrange it and, you know, put it in its correct color. So feed it, let her. You gonna feed it?
Yeah.
Girl, the gate is open. Oh my God.
Wait, Lene, you doing too much. Oh, both of them coming, Lord. Yeah, what's happening?
Lene, feed it. Get it some food.
Lene. I can't do that.
Feed it.
Hey. Oh, shit. I'm sorry.
Oh, shit.
Harley, feed. I'm sorry. I mean, what about that one? Feed him. Let him get it. Come on, feed it. Ew. Feed it. No, you get up and feed it.
No.
You get up and go feed it. Feed that one over there. Here. Here. Feed that one over there, Mom. Ew. Okay.
I'm scared to go see anything else.
Girl, that long hot ass tongue. Come on, y'all do it too much.
I can't do a salad.
Come on, get a video. Hi.
Oh shit. She threw the bag.
Y'all gonna stay right here? We gonna turn
I
around?
won't touch it.
You gonna touch it, man?
He said he gonna take. Look, he don't want me to touch him. Oh, honey, ew. Y'all brown, honey.
Give him some more.
About tired of eating the same shit. I don't tell her how many times I done ate this shit today. Look at this one. Here, drop it in his mouth.
No.
Come on, babies.
No, I can't do it. I'm scared.
Come on.
Don't be scared. Y'all wanted to see the animals so bad, and now y'all don't want to feed them. Y'all scared.
Girl, they not goddamn pussy. The fuck? Well, shit, how else we talk to them?
Oh my God. What is this?
Look at the piggy.
Oh, that is a pig. Look, oink, oink, oink. You see the pig?
Going.
He said, fuck y'all, bitch. I can eat this shit off the ground.
Going.
Pig here. Wait, that's a hog, right?
Going.
Sit down.
Buy me.
Could have snuck up on me and scared the shit out of me.
No.
Here you go. Here you go.
Like shit, they don't want it, I get it.
You scared me, girl. Shit. Woo! Hold on now. Got flies and shit calling on me. You good? Alright, we good. Have a good one. Oh, the pig eating it.
Pig.
They tired. They don't want none.
Oh shit, here come these zebras. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Wait, Lene, wait. Cause they on both sides.
Hi. Oh, he's so pretty.
Aggressive. Okay, hold on.
Aggressive,
You gotta
I
stick
mean.
your whole face in. Yeah. You know what I mean? Come on, Lene. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
he got one.
Oh, sorry.
Wait.
Oh.
Woo, wait. Woo. Okay.
Damn, swallow that one.
Y'all, this has been an experience. Oh my god. Lene.
It's coming.
Woo, it's
Lene,
coming.
It's coming.
Woo.
The goddamn
bird.
Go.
Here.
Look, I can't even throw it. Go. If y'all
They necks are long and they will come in the fucking window.
Look, they fighting. What? Oh, they stuck.
Oh my god. Bitch, Lene. I swear to God.
They stuck.
Bitch, drive.
They're stuck. Lene. They stuck, y'all.
Lene, they fighting. Go. Lene, this fucking bird is coming.
Feed it. We got no food. Oh, stop fighting.
Oh, they chasing each other. Lene. Bitch, don't play with me like that. I will fuck you up.
Feed the cow. Goddamn, whatever this shit is.
Here you go.
But hurry up, come that bird.
Oh shit, I'm scared. Here you
Oh,
go.
let me get the food.
Huh?
Move your feet.
Oh, your breath.
Okay, go. He like
About to throw up. Lene, go. Throw.
can't run them over.
Oh my god.
These baby ones ain't got long neck. Girl, bye. Throw that shit out there.
Oh my god. Why is it looking like that? Here. Lene, don't fuck with me. Pull off, because why I look like that? Okay. Are we done?